Hello friends, welcome to Audiobook Daily. Today we'll talk about Time Management in 20 Minutes a Day by Holly Reisem Hanna, published in 2019. Sonia was the kind of person everyone admired. Reliable, hardworking, always saying yes. But one Thursday morning at 9:37 a.m., everything collapsed. She was juggling 3 deadlines, her phone buzzing every minute, her email overflowing, and her boss asking for just one quick update. Then her daughter's school called. Sonia, she forgot her science project. Can you bring it? Sonia froze. Her chest tightened. Tears almost surfaced. She wasn't failing because she wasn't capable. She was failing because she had no system. She was living every day as if it was an emergency. That night, exhausted and confused, she searched online. How do I get my life under control? A book recommendation popped up. Time Management in 20 Minutes a Day, Holly Reisem Hanna. At first Sonia laughed. 20 minutes? My life is a disaster. 20 minutes won't save me. But she started reading. And that's when everything changed. Holly Reisem Hanna writes this book for the overwhelmed, the busy, the multitaskers drowning in to-do lists. Her message is simple. You don't need more hours. You need better habits. And you can build them in just 20 minutes a day. Clarity first. Know what actually matters. Most people waste time not because they are lazy, but because they are unclear. Holly begins with the foundation. Identify your big rocks, the tasks that truly move your life forward. Stop reacting and start choosing. Define your personal and professional priorities. Track where time is being wasted. She emphasizes a brutal truth. You can't manage time until you understand where it's going. By performing a quick time audit, you discover your hidden leaks, mindless scrolling, unnecessary meetings, tasks you shouldn't be doing in the first place. 2. The power of the daily plan. Holly's signature strategy is simple. Spend 20 minutes each morning planning your day. This includes reviewing your goals, listing key tasks, time blocking each activity, eliminating unnecessary commitments, assigning priorities using the ABC method. No fancy software. No complicated systems. Just clarity. She warns that many people let the day attack them, instead of attacking the day with intention. 3. Reduce distractions like a professional. According to Holly, time management isn't only about what you do. It's also about what you refuse to do. Her top strategies. Turn off notifications. Create focus blocks. Check email only at scheduled times. Use the 2-minute rule. Batch similar tasks. Declutter your workspace. She explains that a cluttered environment equals a cluttered mind. Even 5 minutes of tidying can increase productivity dramatically. 4. Systems over motivation. Holly argues that willpower is unreliable. But systems? Systems save you even on bad days. Examples she suggests. Weekly meal plans, automated bill payments, pre-packed work bags, routines for mornings and evenings, templates for repeated tasks, checklists for recurring obligations. These habits remove decision fatigue and give your brain space to think. 5. Self-care is time management. This is where the book becomes deeply human. Holly stresses, you can't manage time if you're constantly exhausted. She encourages sleep, breaks, boundaries. Saying no without guilt. Self-care isn't selfish, it fuels productivity. 6. The 20-minute transformation. The book's promise becomes clear. By investing just 20 minutes a day, you can plan your day, evaluate your goals, eliminate distractions, build systems, create routines, prioritize properly. Small daily steps, massive long-term transformation. Sonia's transformation. 3 weeks later, Sonia's life looked nothing like before. She woke up calm. She planned her day in 20 minutes every morning. Her priorities were clear. Her workspace was organized. Her phone was silent during deep work blocks. Her evenings were peaceful again. One day her daughter said, "Mom, you smile more now." Sonia felt her heart soften. This book didn't give her more time. It gave her back control over the time she already had. And she finally understood what Holly meant. Small changes, done consistently, create a life you didn't think was possible. Thank you for listening. See you in next Audiobook Daily.